Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to get a Mojang account. First, understand that new players now create a Microsoft account to play Minecraft. Mojang accounts are no longer directly created. Existing Mojang accounts were migrated to Microsoft accounts for enhanced security and features. This change simplifies the login process and provides a unified experience for all players. We'll guide you through the current process. To begin, navigate to the official Minecraft website. Look for the Get Minecraft button and click it to initiate the account creation process. You will then be guided through setting up a new Microsoft account. This account will serve as your login for Minecraft and other Microsoft services. Ensure you use a strong password and remember your credentials for future access. If you possess an older Mojang account, you must migrate it to a Microsoft account. Log into your Mojang account on the official website. You will see clear prompts guiding you through the migration steps. This process is mandatory to continue playing Minecraft. After migration, verify your new Microsoft account details to ensure everything is correctly linked and accessible. Migrating to a Microsoft account provides several benefits, including enhanced security features like two-factor authentication. You can also access all versions of Minecraft, including Java and Bedrock editions, with a single, unified login. This streamlines your gaming experience significantly. Remember to check the description below for a link to grab some Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. Enjoy your Minecraft adventures.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.